Hey guys, and welcome back to another Daniel Metzer photography video where I wanted to make something like a vlog this time, and I thought I could show you my camera collection. But first I wanted to say thank you really much to all the people who support me and supported me in the past months. I know I don't have so many videos up yet, but it's just so amazing to see. I already got 98 subscribers, which just amazes me. Like nearly 100 people actively subscribe to my channel because they want to watch my videos. But apart of that, my videos have been watched 34,000 minutes already. Can you imagine how much that is? That's nearly 600 hours or 24 days. Imagine your own voice being replayed 24 days straight. That's just amazing, and I want to say thank you really much. And if you want to support me further, just click on subscribe, like this video, comment, do whatever. Thank you guys. So this is my collection of cameras and stuff. So I just start with my Polaroid cameras. I really love this camera. I modified it to take, is it double or triple A batteries? Well, to take normal batteries, because the ones that it normally takes are not produced anymore. So that's sad, but it works. I don't use Polaroids as much as I should, but it's so expensive. And as a student I just can't afford using them so much. Here's a Polaroid that I've never used, which is the case in most of my Polaroid cameras. This one my dad gave me a few years back, and I also haven't been photographing so much with it as I should, because again, film is expensive. Polaroid. And another one behind here. Polaroid Vision. Haven't tried that either. And then there's some stuff right here. Some caps, you know, flash. I'm sorry for not going into that, but I just don't know the English words for all that stuff. Okay, another flash for those Flashcubes, which I have and I'm going to talk about later. Yeah. Okay, down here we got a Tiara twin lens reflex camera that came in a do-it-yourself box. It was just parts and I had to do it myself. Interflex TL Universal with a Anna München or Munich or whatever Analyt 35mm 1.3.5. Haven't tried that one so much yet. Yeah, and a lot of my cameras are broken, or not a lot, but a few, because sellers are not always truthfully with what they say. Pretty sad, but I can change it. And I don't want to sell them, because nobody wants a broken camera, right? Revue SC3. Behind there, Reflex, Praktica, another Praktica, another beautiful Praktica, another one. Most of them are broken, sadly. I got them in one collection. Would you look at that? Another Praktica. And another one, obviously broken. Yet another one. Another one. I actually think that's my last Praktica camera. Sadly it's also broken, although I think it's beautiful. And this won't close, I don't know why. Have a look at my collection through a camera. Double camera action. Some paused cameras, or paused reflex. This one's broken, but this one works. Another Revue BC Electronic, a Yashica FR1 and a Yashica FX1, which are both broken, sadly. A Revue Flex 3000 SL, which I really love. It works fantastic. It got a mode where you can do double exposures, which is really nice. Here are some lenses, Asahi Pentax lenses, which are my favorite yet. Some teleconverter or macro rings, which I don't really use. Just a few filters. I'm going to show you the rest later. Some lens for the Yashica, I guess. Yeah. Agfa pocket camera, the Agfamatic 6008 or 608 original flash. Just some 110 cameras and another Agfa pocket camera. Minolta AF 75 to 300 millimeters, which I have been using a lot lately because it's my only autofocus tele lens. Nikon F70, which I really love and I've used a lot in the past. I want to try it again and use it again. Asahi Pentax Spotmatic SP2 and 1 over there with the Asahi lenses. Oh no, that one got a Zenit lens. Yeah, the Helios 44-2 58mm f2. Here are my Canons, Canon A1, Canon AE1 program, and yeah, another one. Another AE1 program. Canon T50, another Yashica FR1, which works. That's great, and I like this camera, really. I haven't tested it out too much yet, but I really like it from what I've seen. Back there, Minolta X700 with its motor. Minolta XG1. 50mm 1.4. XD7. Also Minolta. SRT 101, Minolta of course, and another X700. This one got the 45mm f2 lens that I really like. I don't know why, but a lot of people seem to hate it. I really like it and recommend trying it. Behind there is my beautiful Minolta SRT 303B, where this strap holder broke off sadly. But I've reskinned this camera and I really liked it. Minolta 303 SI autofocus camera. I don't think I will talk about the lenses too much, but I want to show you them too. Yeah, the last one was for Canon. This is Minolta. Come on. Tokina lenses. I got several of them. And Takinas are great. Most people seem to think they are cheapish, but they can be really great. Especially this one, I really like it. I got it for the Minolta and the Nikon. Over there again. Minolta 50mm 1.7. Another Minolta zoom lens, the 35 to 70mm. Yet another zoom lens, Vivitar 80 to 200mm. Some 39mm thread lenses. Teleconverter for Minolta. This is just some fisheye converter. Wait, here it is. It's not really great, but it works. Vivitar macro lens for Minolta with macro rings. Vivitar 135 to 8 M42 mount. If you ever see one, buy it. It's worth it. Yeah, and that's it with the SLR cameras. Down here we got some box cameras, a Agfa box, I don't know what it exactly it is, some broken stuff that my father gave me back a few years ago. And this one, this is probably the oldest of my cameras, a Kodak Box 620. As far as I know, this is war or pre-war. Next to it a pause camera that I've never tried. But I think this one is really cool because of this, how it opens. I just love how that looks. Minox flash and a Minox camera. .35 PL. And I really like Olympus cameras. The XA is really great. It's compact. My actually favorite Olympus camera is the Olympus AF1. I take that with me everywhere. And it's just small and easy to use and makes really great pictures. I also got the Olympus AF10 Super that I haven't tried yet, but it looks alright. Altix camera looks really great. Haven't tried it yet. Just some compact cameras, Nikon TW, size icon, whatever. Contessa Mart SBE. Tried that one and it's really nice. Post Auto 505. Precision AF. Whatever. Honeymax 35MF. Vivitar 35EF. Instamatic camera 155X from Kodak. Post Lucky. Teleconverter. A 4-lens camera that I bought on a flea market for €1. Tried it a few times, but sadly it broke, but the pictures turned out really great. Minolta AF Zoom 65. Another Instamatic camera from Kodak, 56X. Super Shot Supreme, Silet LK Vivitar R600, a Lubitel 166B, a TLR, my first real TLR, but since I bought it I didn't have 120 film, so I couldn't try it. Yet another Instamatic camera from Kodak, really nice looking. Solida 1 Franca, Agfa Isolette 1, Agfa Clack with a flash, and Agfa Click 1. A Holga lomography camera and a Diana, and some broken Leica camera. A Olympus 35 RC. Really nice and sharp camera, nice lens and really compact. Some viewfinders and another cube flash holder. Tele converter for Canon, I think. Canon Prima 105. Rolei, whatever, X115. Zoom. Konica EFP 3. Some cheapish camera. Minolta ES Riva Zoom 90C. And some Kodak disc camera that doesn't work because all it does is vibrate, and I don't know why. So that's about all of my cameras. Next are the accessories. Oh yeah, forgot my GoPro Hero 4 Silver. This is 90% alcohol that I use to clean my lenses when I get them. Here's another lens, a Post Macro Tele lens, 135-2.5. All my filters and stuff. There's so many filters when buying collections or cameras, and I don't really use them. Some light meters, some film, 110, 135. Some cooking filters. These are actually great. I don't know where the holder for it is, but it's somewhere around here. Some cube flashes. And this one. One of my favorite lenses and probably my most expensive. A Minolta 500mm f8. Then here we got some stuff. I got so many camera bags, I don't know where to put them. Here are some lens bags, film, more like film boxes. Some Impossible film, which is nasty. Don't buy Impossible film. At least like this one. It doesn't work at all. This is actually the best picture I've taken with this film. Yeah, and those are my flashes. Flash bars, flash cubes, flash bulbs. A shitload of them. And I don't have a Polaroid camera that takes these flash bars yet, otherwise I would use them myself. Well, yeah, I just got a shitload of them. I think I'm never going to be able to use them all. Look at that! So many flash cubes, Yeah, and that's what I've been talking about earlier, about this holder with a classical hot shoe. So I can use these flash cubes at least on a normal camera. Because as well as I don't use Polaroid cameras, I don't use these Instamatic cameras. And I got a shitload of flash bulbs. I may or may not give away some of them. If you guys are interested in them, please write it in the comments so I can look if I can send some to you guys. So many. And down here we got another box in a box. Atlas Flashcubes, which is again one of those boxes that you put up in the shop. Like you fold that over, put it in there, like that. Those are again Flashcubes, these ones. Like I feel bad for just letting them sit here in a box and not being used. As said, if you're interested in some, I may or may not give away some. So yeah, that's my camera collection, all in all. Actually there's, I think, 2 cameras missing. I got a Polaroid 1000, the white one with the rainbow on the one side, which looked like the Instagram logo in the days. And I'm pretty sure I got another F70, but I have no clue where. Well, anyways, thank you for watching. If you've liked it, press that like button, leave a comment. I will answer every question, and of course subscribe. See you in the next video.